This unit is about extended percentages. In this video, I'm going to explain P1, collecting information to solve problem in mathematical context, and P2, non-mathematical context. Pause the video, read the question, have a go if you can answer it. The area of the rectangle is 40 centimeters squared and it decreased by 10%. We want to know what is the new area of the rectangle. I would definitely suggest draw a rectangle for yourself and make sure that you draw the second one smaller because we know that is going to be decreased by 10%. So the area of the rectangle is 40 and it decreased by 10%. That means 10% smaller. Now we want to know what is the new area of the second rectangle. This is going to be the same as our fluency question if I translate it by saying decrease 40 by 10%. I'm gonna do the same approach as we've done before, finding 90% of 40 centimeter square. To find 90%, I need to subtract 10% from my original amount. Let's find the 10%. Hundred percent is 40. Subtract 10%, that is 4, is equal to 36 centimeter square, and that is the new area of the rectangle. Please pause the video and read the question and answer the question. To make it easier, I'm gonna draw a rectangle with a perimeter of 60 and a triangle that is slightly lighter because in the question it's saying 50% larger than the rectangle. Then it shows that it increased 60 meter by 15%. We always translate it by saying finding 150% of 60. We know the 100, we find 15%, that is 9. And then we find the new perimeter of this triangle, that is 69 meter. A shopkeeper increased all her prices before Christmas. A pair of sunglasses used to cost £24, but then she increases the price by 20%. We want to know how much do they cost after the increase. Let's write it down as a sentence to see what we are looking for. Increasing £24 by 20%. That means we need to find 120% of £24. %120% is 100% added to 20%. We know what is 100%, that is our original amount. Let's find the 20%. Okay, 100%, that is 24 pound. 20% is 4.8 pound. And if I add them together, that would be 28 pound 80. Or you could say 28 pound 80 pence. Please pause the video and have a go at these questions. A shop has a sale with 10% off, so here is about decreasing. A shirt costs £30 before the sale. How much does it cost during the sale? So that means we need to decrease £30 by 10%. If I translate it, that means find 90% of £30. To get 90%, I can subtract 10% by 100. We find 10%, then 100%, our original amount is 30. Subtract 10%, that is 3. And my answer would be £27.